Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. What in the world has happened to the stock price? Where is it going, and what my plan is moving forward. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy our content, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So, saw this coming way back when, as far as the price coming down. I didn't think it'd come down this far, but I do think we have some more room to drop, in my honest opinion. So golden cross breakout indicator actually signaled that we were going to drop further back in sometime in January, where basically this blue line here crossed underneath this pink line here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but when it crossed underneath, basically the breakout indicator reverses, and it means that we're going to have a move, kind of a dramatic move to the downside. And so from that point at about 243, now we're all the way, we broke 160, and now our support seems to be 157.25. However, if we break below that, we can see the stock continuing to come down. So right now, that's currently your new support of 157.25. I do see people probably come and buy in at this level to pop the price up, at least temporarily, because it is extremely oversold or undervalued on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. So if you're looking for a swing play or some type of scalping opportunity, this would be a good time to look at maybe doing that. Your overall tip top would be 278.98. Of course, that's going to update over the next couple of weeks, and your tip top will probably be about 265-ish or so. I kind of feel like this again, that we may pop our head up a little bit here, and we'll fall below 157 because of this here earnings for 4/23. That is on April 23rd. So we could just kind of hover around where we are right now, and then earnings, I guess, could either send us a lot lower or send us higher. I'm assuming that earnings aren't going to be as good because basically the numbers of the deliveries weren't met a couple of weeks ago, and they just laid off about 10% of the workforce in the company. So they're doing things to try to increase revenues, which means I'm assuming that they're probably not going to have the best earnings or compared to what they've done in the past. So in my opinion, for me, what I'm looking at is this is possibly a time to eye this thing over the next couple of weeks for a time to average down and come in and buy. So I'm hoping, if it's going to fall, I'm hoping it goes all out and goes dramatic to like closer to $100, because that's going to be a great entry price for a lot of people to come in and potentially maybe double their money on a swing play, or put their put some cash in there to double up. So let's go over the support and resistance. So support 157.25, resistance 183.30, then 203.75, 218.12, 232.48, 250.25, and then all the way to 278.98. Let's take a look at the longer term chart on this, on the daily. All right, guys, so taking a look at the daily chart dating back from January 1st, 2020 to yesterday. So basically we did break below that major level of resistance of 168.03, and which I said $100, and that's actually a possibility if we continue to move down a little bit lower. It looks like we could actually retest that $100 mark. And just look how volatile and crazy this chart is. So if we continue to get some bad sentiment and the earnings aren't as good, I do think we could kind of maybe retest that $120, $100 level on Tesla before we start kind of bottoming out, settling, and then making a recovery back to the $200 market in some fashion at some point. So just something to keep an eye on. So if you're in the stock and you're looking to dollar cost average, I would still wait. That's what I'm doing now. So I'm waiting I started a longer term position over this summer, and just bought a few shares here and there, and then I've been kind of buying a couple here and there, and then now would be a really good opportunity just to watch over the next 2 to 3 weeks to see what the stock is going to do. And then if it does indeed fall down to that $100 level, that's where I'll come in to finish my longer term position and dollar cost average around the $100 level. So just wanted to give everyone a heads up on that. So let me know your comments below, guys. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.